Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my Amazon favorites. These are products that I use regularly. I love them. I find them very helpful. So if you'd be interested, please keep on watching. So the first product that I want to share here is my absolute favorite, okay, and this is such a savior. So this is the spot patch, and this I got it off Amazon. I don't think it is available anywhere else, like on Nike or any other application. I didn't find it. So this is basically by this brand called Spot Patch, and this is a pimple patch basically, right? And you know how pimple patches work are, like for example you are going for an event, function or anything, and especially usi ke pehle you get a pimple, right? So wo to hamesha hi hota hai. So what you can do is you can just put this pimple patch on, theek hai, and leave it on for a couple of hours. I leave it personally for like around 6 to 8 hours, and then फिर मैं निकाल देती हूँ, and then I check if I need another one, if I need to go for a second round, and then उसके हिसाब से if I think I need one more, then I apply that and then I leave it off for another 6 to 8 hours, and then that's all, पिम्पल vanish हो जाता है. So it's a savior when you're going out. तुम्हारा कोई travel plans है, कुछ भी है, तो it's a savior because वो instant काम कर देता है वो पिम्पल हटाने के लिए, and you shouldn't be popping your pimples, right? So 2 of these ऐसे and 2 strips. ये तो मैंने पूरा ही ख़त्म कर दिया. There's nothing left in this one, and इसमें you can see there's hardly something left, like, and it does work because I have used it on myself, I've used it on my friends as well, so it worked on them as well. So yeah, हाँ बस इतना depend करता है कि at times you might have to just apply one, and at times you'll have to go with it twice, but in the end it works. So yes, last minute के लिए this is the best thing ever. You get 36 of them and it retails for around 380 rupees or 360 rupees, I'm not sure. I'll leave the prices on the screen, and all of the products will be linked in the description box below. So yeah, I completely love it. I think बहुत ज़्यादा helpful है, but again this is only a temporary fix. Okay, so if you have pimples and you're suffering with it continuously, then you might want to check what is the root cause and treat that, and not resort to such things. This is only for like एक आधा pimple जो आ जाता है before something important, and you just have to get rid of that. So it's just for that. If you have pimples, if you're suffering from them, then please go visit a dermat or just check what is the root cause and then treat that, and you should be fine. So the next product is for people who are a little lazy removing their makeup. So I know you might be having a long day and you might be tired, and when you come back home you just don't want to put in the efforts to remove your makeup. But please, for the sake of God, do not sleep with makeup on, because that in the long term is going to ruin your skin, okay, and it's going to cause you acne, it's going to clog your pores, it's going to be a bad situation altogether. So please remove your makeup no matter how lazy, no matter how tired you're feeling, right? So this is helpful for that. So I got these 2 makeup sponges. This I have not used yet, I'm just using this one. So this is basically a makeup cleansing pad. All you need to do is just wet it, and then you can just wipe your face with it. However, I still recommend you to go in with an oil based cleanser first and then use this. So once you apply the oil based cleanser, you can just massage your face with this, and it will make sure, like, just wet this and massage your face, and it will make sure कि कोई भी रेसिड्यू नहीं रहता है मेकअप का, that everything is off. And then again, if you want, you can go in with a cleanser or just leave it off as it is, but I suggest you to go in with an oil based cleanser and then use it. Otherwise, हाँ, कभी कभार if you want to use it, if you're really tired, then yes, of course you can just wet the sponge and like just rub it all over your face and gently massage actually all over your face, and your makeup will be off, and that's all. You can go to bed. So it's that easy. It's made of microfiber, so it's very gentle on the skin. It's not harsh. ऐसा लगता नहीं कि आप कुछ घिस रहे हो. It's very very gentle. So I really love that about this one. Now this one I had ordered off Amazon, and Amazon it was mentioned that it is from this brand called Earth Rhythm. I do love Earth Rhythm की products. I have used their other products as well. But what happened is जब I got it, उसमें ना ये लिखा हुआ था, this is the brand name that was written, which is not from Earth Rhythm, right? So this is how it is. So I contacted Amazon and I was like, I got the product of another brand, and they were ready to refund me. I asked them for a replacement date, but then they told me that if I reorder it or if they send a replacement, I might receive the same thing. So I was like, okay fine, then take it back, and they were like, no, you can keep it. So I was like, okay, so if I'm keeping it, then might as well just try it. But it's actually good quality and it works, it does the job, and it was pretty cheap as well, so I think yes, it is completely worth it and it's very helpful for any eye makeup वगैरह भी लगा देती हूँ ना, heavy हो जाता है जब, so you don't have to like rub your skin, you can just go in with this and बहुत easily ये makeup निकाल देता है. Alright, so the next item, you are going to be a little intimidated by it if you've not used it yet, if you've not heard about it yet. I'm so sorry, I'm so clumsy. So yes, so this is the face and eyebrow razor. This is how it looks like. This is a pack of 4. Now if you've been using the Tinkle razors or the Miniso razors, they are good but not the best, right? If you use something better than that, then you know that there are things that exist which are better than that. So I have been using the Miniso ones for a really long time and that was okay-ish, like that did the job, but this is so much better than that. So also one thing that I really like is इसका जो blade है, right? It's इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी का है, राइट? इट्स सच गुड क्वालिटी कि बहुत ईजीली एंड बहुत फाइनली, लाइक इट गिव्स यू वेरी क्लोज शेप, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो फॉर एनीबडी wondering who has not shaved their face yet, no, the hair doesn't grow back thicker, coarser or darker. There's nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है, okay? If you are somebody who applies makeup, then do try face shaving once and I'm sure you will love applying makeup after that, क्योंकि makeup उसके बाद में बहुत smoothly apply होता है face पे, and also your face feels so clean and exfoliate भी हो जाता है your face that way. So if you've not tried it, then yeah, you can go ahead and try it. It is completely safe. I've been doing it for more than 2 years now. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है that you get more hair growth या फिर और denser हो जाता है, ऐसा there's nothing like that, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So this is also इसका जो है, it is made with 80% wheat straw, so it's also environment friendly, so I really appreciate that. So and you have 4 of these इसमें, and this is how one of it looks like. So ऐसे आता है, and this has this plastic cap here, and this is how the blade looks like. This is very gentle and बहुत easily shave हो जाता है and you get such a smooth shave. It's just so good. You have to try it out to believe it. Alright, so the next item is not a necessity, it's not something that you require, but if you have it, it's helpful. So this is the hair towel that I got, okay, from Amazon, okay, and this is a microfiber cloth. Now if you don't know why you should be using a microfiber cloth, you can look up on YouTube, you can look up online, right? So basically it just helps reduce hair, like breakage of hair and eventually hair fall. So you should be switching to a microfiber towel if you haven't already. And अगर आपको बहुत मतलब आपका hair break हो रहा है and बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहा है, if that is your concern, then definitely you should switch to a microfiber towel. So this is how it looks like. It's very smooth, very soft, okay, and this is how it is. It can be secured like this. यहाँ पे it has this loop जो इस button में जाता है, and it can be secured like this. So how you need to use this is basically once you're done showering, ठीक है, once you're done showering, then you can just keep ये ऐसे, ठीक है, and then you have to just put your hair in like this and wrap it up and just secure it. I love this. That's only because I always, like, if I have to go out somewhere, I will take a shower right before that. So that is the reason if I take a shower just before heading out somewhere, I have to get ready while while my hair is wet and while my hair is like trying to dry. So उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, if I have the other towel, वो बार देते रहता है, so annoying. So this makes sure that my hair is in place and like I can move around, I can do whatever I want, I can get ready, and it also does dry the hair quickly, ठीक है, बहुत easily water absorb कर जाता है and काफ़ी ज़्यादा water absorb करता है. So it's really good and good quality. So I would highly recommend this one if you are looking for a hair towel. Alright, so the last item that I want to talk about is a razor, okay, and it's actually a shaving kit, and that is by this company called Let's Shave. It comes in a box like this, okay, and in this box there is there's whipped shave cream, okay. This is how it looks like, and then you get the razor. So यहाँ पे you get the razor. Now if you are somebody who does not shave usually. So of course then this is probably not for you, but if you're somebody who does like to shave occasionally or regularly, then this would be really helpful. Personally for me, it really depends if I want to go for waxing or shaving. It depends upon a lot of factors as to, you know, if the, because of lockdown, of course, we didn't have access to a lot of parlors and to get waxing done. So of course at that time you don't have any other option. But yes, if you are somebody who prefers shaving over waxing, then this is helpful, because if you are using the Venus breeze, or if you're using just the Venus, it's okayish, it's not bad, but again it's not really good. This one is much better. Okay, uska quality काफ़ी अच्छा है blade का, so it gives a very close and a very smooth shave. You don't cut yourself. I will show you the razor. This is how the razor looks like, and इसका जो ये head है, it is like very flexible. So even यहाँ पे it is very flexible, and overall भी it moves of course, but यहाँ पे भी it moves. So it's very flexible. So you know, you will like, it will make sure that you don't cut yourself while you're shaving, right? And this whipped cream, like it is literally, it looks and it feels literally like whipped cream. It's literally like, you know, whipped shaving cream. It is good. I won't say the best again. It's good, but this is much better. So if you are, you know, buying this, then you can buy this definitely for this, because this is so good, and its quality काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's much better than Venus. So yeah, and this is, again, it's good, it's helpful. It makes sure that ये जो है ना, it makes sure that your skin is like moisturized, and it is you know, it's not dry and flaky after you shave. So I really like that. So yeah, that was all for today. You know, these were all of my favorites, and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.